In the H2O platform, we use projects to help track business values of specific use cases and to share and collaborate on projects together. Here you can see the projects I have access to in this environment. These are available throughout our model building, deployment, and in Feature Store. I'm specifically working on reducing customer churn by 20%. I can share this project with various folks at my organization, giving them read access or the ability to do data science as well. I've built a couple models, and now I want to understand the true value of putting these into production and which one I might want to choose. I can run analyze results, which will take me to the business value calculator. In my organization, I might know what different types of being right or being wrong means to me. If someone is not going to churn, and I predict that they're not going to churn, maybe I would save 20 cents or so on not sending them out a mailer or something like that. I can say for each of these models, I would like the best threshold for that model because the models are each different, and I can apply this. And here we can see the profits that I can expect from my various different models. So the optimized threshold for each model is different, but we can see the profits we might expect. When we're actually building the experiments, we can keep our business rules in mind. For example, let's start a new experiment. In this use case, I'm building a churn model, and I actually am not too concerned with being able to explain the model to my business leaders. I just need the results. So I'm going to lower interpretability. That's less important for this business case. Accuracy is super important, and I actually don't care if this runs all night as long as I get the best model. Now, let's say later I'm working on a model in a regulated space. I can choose for that business use case that interpretability is way more important and that accuracy is important, but being able to explain to regulators matters more. Outside of our dials, we can go into the expert settings and think of other business rules that might be important for our use case. If our final model is going to be deployed to an edge device, we might want to focus on reducing the size of the mojo. Or if we know that latency will be super important, we can make sure we do latency scoring so we know across all of our models what the speed of different models are, which might help us choose the right one. Keeping these business rules in mind when building the models can help us be more successful when we go to production.